Friday, the 9th of October is World Post Day, a day to celebrate postal services all across the world. The Post provides essential services always, but particularly during the COVID-19 pandemic, when it has played a very big part in connecting the community.
In J for Red this week, we celebrated An Post and other postal services in Ireland by writing letters of gratitude to the essential people in our communities. Éistigi agus buinigi tanabas.
Dear postal workers, we are very grateful for you to be delivering messages to us. You are working very hard to bring people messages in the middle of COVID-19. You are doing a very good job.
You work very hard for the world.
Thank you from the Oak Table.
Dear family and friends, we are thankful for all our family and friends, so thank you and keep safe, everyone.
We are thankful that our friends and families are protecting us and making us smile.
We are thankful to have amazing lives with friends and families who make our lives better.
We are also grateful for cousins who play with us. They are both friends and family.
Thank you from the Sycamore Table.
Dear shopkeepers, thank you for going to work during the coronavirus pandemic.
Thank you for keeping your shops open when you could so that I have somewhere to shop for fit.
Thank you for helping us maintain social distancing when we are shopping.
Thank you for being patient and kind while working long hours.
Thank you from the Hawthorne Table.
Dear teachers and school staff, we are grateful for all your hard work. You take care of us every day. You've helped us to learn, read, and spell.
We are also grateful for all the people who work to clean the school so that we can have a safe place to go to school every day.
We are grateful for all the people who work hard in the canteen to provide us with wonderful food. We appreciate everything you do.
Thank you from the Birch Table.
Transport workers. Thank you, transport workers, for working even when it puts you at risk more than others, because without buses and nurses, people wouldn't be able to move around the city.
Thank you for driving people to important places during the pandemic.
Thank you, drivers, for bringing people to work and school during this pandemic. Thank you, transport workers, for helping people to travel to different countries and places when they need to.
Thank you from the Ash Table.
Dear frontline healthcare workers, thank you to all the doctors, nurses, and hospital workers for helping people who are sick. Thank you to all the people who clean the hospital so they aren't dirty and are clean places for people to recover. Thank you to all people who are working hard to find a cure for diseases.
Thank you from the Horse Chestnut Table.